Everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I will be making a necklace featuring one of the latest Softlex design kits. This kit is called Tree of Life and it was for the Great Bead Extravaganza. So we have the charm here that was part of the kit and then the beads, everything in this row. These ones are currently available online at softflexcompany.com, and I will go ahead and leave a link down below in the description box, as well as these little owls. I thought it'd be really cute to add one of these on top of the pendant here. And in the kit, you did get the fluorite Softflex wire, but I think I'm going to be using the red jasper just because it kind of complements it a little bit better. And then I'm mixing my metals. I'm using silver just so you can see the connection point when I add on the owl. Let's start creating. In the kit, they gave you a little gold jump ring, so I went ahead and attached that to this pendant. And this is an exclusive item to the kit from Green Girl Studio. It's got a little message on the back. So we're going to open up our eye pin, similar to how we would open up a jump ring, just a light twist. We'll just attach it on. We'll just attach on our pendant, and then we're just going to close it up. So we'll have our pendant, and we're going to slide on one of our owls. These owls are so cute. I know this is the Great Bead Extravaganza Spring Fling, but I get the harvest vibes from it with all the beautiful colors. These remind me of smoky quartz, and then with the owl, it just kind of reminds me of autumn. Then we're going to put on one of these little Czech Glass rondels that was in the kit, and that's just going to add that pop of sparkle to the owl. And what I like about it is the owl is double-sided, so it's okay if your pendant turns. And then we're going to make a wrapped loop. I will be using my one-step loopers in the 1.5. And you're just going to slide it through the looper. You want to make sure that there's a little bit of room. If it's too close to the bead, it will crack the bead. And it makes your loop. And just come in with your round nose pliers and make sure everything is secure. And your loop is closed, so you don't want to lose your pendant. You have your pendant. Now we're going to attach our jump rings. So we're just going to take a 6mm jump ring and twist and slide on to our pendant. And then we'll hear that little click and make sure it's completely closed. That is so cute. I'm loving that owl on top. So we have our pendant. Now we're going to just put on our beads and our rondels and let the necklace design. So to start, I'm going to cut about 20 inches of my red jasper Softflex wire. We have our red jasper wire. Then we're just going to string on our pendant. I think I'm going to add a couple more of the little owls off to the side on the necklace. It's kind of like they're looking down on the pendant. I'm going to slide on one of these Czech Glass swirl beads. Slide on one of the little swirls. Add a rondel for sparkle. Two more swirls. An owl, make sure it's facing the same way. And another little rondel. And the same thing on the other side. And I think the owls come in a couple different colors, so they're super cute to add into designs, and they're super lightweight too, so they can make earrings. If you wanted to, you could just complete your necklace like this and let the Softflex wire show. I think that'd be really pretty. But I'll add a few more beads on there and see how my design comes to be. So this is how our necklace is coming along. We have our little spacing in between and then our pops of sparkle. I just love Czech Glass. They're just so unique and original. So pretty. So I finished stringing the rest of my beads and I ran out of these larger Czech Glass as well as the rondels. So I'm just going to alternate between the smaller Czech Glass and then the larger ones here until I finish the length of my necklace, and then I will attach my clasp. We have finished our necklace, and I'm going to be using 4 2x2s, and these are in gold. This is what comes in your Tree of Life kit. The reason why I'm using 4 instead of 2 is just to support the weight of the necklace. It is a little bit on the heavy side with all the check glass. So 2 of them will be used to support the necklace, and then the other 2 will be used to attach the clasp. We have our 2x2 on the first one. I want to make sure that everything is secure on our necklace. We're going to slide on our other one. And by doing this as well, it just kind of keeps all your beads in place, so you don't have them moving around. And we're just going to rotate. I'm just kind of make like a little ball. There's a little bit of room, and that's what you want because you want your beads to move freely on your wire and not have so much tension. So we have our necklace. We're going to string on one more 2x2, attach our clasp, and this is the lobster claw clasp that comes in the kit. We're going to give it a little bit of wiggle room, letting our soft flex wire show. We're going to pass back through. You just want that little loop at the end. Just come and give it a smash right on top of the other one and round. We'll take our nippers. Remember, always save your soft flex wire for other projects. We have our necklace. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. And on this side, we're going to attach a jump ring. The jump ring is optional. You could just make a loop and have the soft flex wire be your closure. It is sturdy enough for that. So we'll have our little loop. Let's come in, same thing, give it a smash. We'll have our beautiful necklace from the TGBE, that's the Great Bead Extravaganza, the Softlex Company kit. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe for other content and upcoming tutorials. Have a wonderful day.